Hi, do you have pain or burning sensation between your shoulder blades and you think it's coming from a muscle? So most likely it's coming from the joint. So it can be one of the ribs or it can be the lower cervical spine. So yes, the cervical spine can create pain between your shoulder blades. But today I'm going to show you a couple of exercises to fix that for good. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to press the notification bell. The first exercise is a thoracic manipulation. Be very careful when you do this technique. If you have osteoporosis or a disc herniation, try to avoid it. Place your hands behind your neck, breathe in and out on the mouth, and do a quick movement to release the thoracic spine, but don't be too aggressive. Exercise 2. We roll a towel at an angle and then we lie down on the roll on the floor so your spine sits on top of the towel. Place your hands behind your neck and start by gently lifting your elbows and your head up and then lower them a couple of times. You can do it for 1 minute. Exercise 3. On your hands and knees, we will mobilize the thoracic spine by doing a rotational movement. So we reach with one arm underneath the opposite shoulder and then we reach up towards the ceiling. Repeat for 10 times each side. Exercise 4 is similar to the previous one, but we place the hand on the neck so we have the elbow bended. Reach out towards the ceiling by doing a thoracic rotation, so in this way you can mobilize the rib joints and the thoracic spine. Repeat 10 times each side. Exercise 5. Sit on the floor with your legs crossed and do a side bending with one arm as much as you can until you feel a stretch on the side of the body. Repeat a couple of times. Do it for the other side as well, so you mobilize both sides of the ribs and the spine. Exercise 6. So next we will do a thoracic cat-cow movement. Start on the knees and elbows and arch your back up until you feel a stretch, a pull in the thoracic spine, and then lower it down, but keep the neck straight as much as you can so you can open the lower cervical joints. Repeat 10 times. The last exercise is a chin tuck exercise. From sitting, place 2 fingers on your chin and retract your neck straight back, keeping your chin straight. Repeat 10 times. Have a try with these exercises, see how it goes for you. If you have any questions or any suggestions, don't forget to leave me a comment. Please subscribe to my channel, press the notification bell as well, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.